Hi bestie, let me tell you the realiest, wildest, most heart-exploding love story you'll ever hear. Grab your iced coffee. Hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss a single tearjerker. And let me take you back to the summer I came back to life. My name's Ethan Hayes. I'm 19 again. Sophomore at UCLA. Rolling up to campus in a white G-Wagon. I definitely couldn't afford last lifetime. 10 years from now, the girl who secretly loved me so hard it killed her was the coldest, richest, most untouchable CEO in California. Sophia Chen. We were married on paper for 3 whole years. 3 years of me begging, flirting, trying everything. And she wouldn't even let me hold her hand. I thought she hated me. Then she died of cancer. And I found her diary. Page after page of pure, insane, desperate love. He wore the gray hoodie today. Smells like heaven. I just want to live inside it. I'm so jealous of his dog. Why can't I be the dog? Finally kissed him in my dream. Please don't let me wake up. I'm dying tomorrow. Will Ethan cry? That's okay. Just let me love him quietly. I cried like a baby holding that diary. Turns out the Ice Queen was burning up for me the whole time. And I never knew. So when I opened my eyes and realized I was 19 again. Game over. This time I'm making her say it out loud. This time she's mine. Body, soul, loud and proud. I found her exactly where I knew she'd be. 3 a.m. outside the UCLA dorms. Running her little breakfast cart. Egg and cheese on a fresh bagel. She's wearing a faded Bruins hoodie 2 sizes too big. Hair in a messy bun. Apron tied so tight it's criminal. I pull up. Lower the window. And grin. Hey, how much for your WeChat? She doesn't even look up. $4 without egg. 5 with. Her voice is ice. But her hand shakes flipping the bagel. Jackpot. From that day on, I became the most annoying customer in Los Angeles. I show up every morning. Buy 10 bagels. Take 1 bite. Toss the rest. I tip her $100 in ones. Just to watch her ears turn red. She works nights at this bohemian little bar in Westwood. I rent the whole place. Sit at the bar. And make her wipe the same spot for 3 hours while I stare. One night she finally snaps. Ethan Hayes, what the hell do you want from me? I lean in so close I can feel her breath. I want the 3 years you owe me, Sophia. With interest. Her eyes go wide. She tries to run to the bathroom to hide. Classic Sophia move. I follow her right in. Yes, the girls' bathroom. I don't care. She locks herself in a stall. I stand outside and talk through the door. Sophia Chen, you've got 10 seconds to come out or I'm climbing under. Click. Door opens. She's tomato red. Shaking. But those eyes are on fire. Fine. She whispers. You win. That night we didn't make it home. Rode the elevator to the top floor of the W Hotel. Hands already under clothes. Kissing like the world was ending. Turns out 19-year-old Sophia is way less patient than 29-year-old CEO Sophia. She bit my neck so hard I had to wear hoodies for a week. But the next morning, she tried to disappear again. Ghosted me for 2 weeks. Wouldn't answer texts. Wouldn't look at me on campus. So I did what any sane man would do. I camped outside her tiny studio in Koreatown. With In-N-Out and her favorite boba. Day 16 she finally opened the door. Ethan, stop. I'm no good for you. I'm broke. I'm messed up. I kissed her quiet. Baby, I already know everything. I know about the cancer that hasn't happened yet. I know about the diary. I know you think you don't deserve me. But guess what? I decide who deserves me. And I pick you. Every single time. She cried so hard her whole body shook. I carried her to the hospital that same day. Made her get the full checkup. They found the polyps. Cut them out early. She's cancer-free now and forever. After that she stopped running. She still tries to act tough sometimes. Still blushes when I read her new diary out loud. Yet I stole that too. Still pretends she doesn't love it. When I call her my wife in front of the whole campus. But every night she falls asleep on my chest whispering the same thing. Ethan. Don't let me go this time. Baby, I couldn't let you go if the world caught fire. So yet. I died once. Came back. Turned the coldest girl in California into the clingiest, sweetest, most whipped girlfriend on planet Earth. And honestly, best redemption arc ever. If you cried, if you screamed, if you want more stories that hit this hard, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because I post new ones every week. Tell me in the comments. Would you read a secret diary if you found it? Be honest. See you in the next one. Love you, babies.